Alright, I'm just gonna make a quick video on how to remove your Buick Regal, Buick Century rear tail lights. That's gonna be covering this one and the middle one, both sides. It's a super simple process to do on these cars, but not a lot of videos out there explaining how to do it. So I'll show you guys how.
At some point we gotta talk, I'd rather save it for later. I feel like I need another, I'm afraid.
So as you guys saw at the beginning of the video, you're going to want to start by just popping your trunk simply. We're going to start with the middle light first. Again, open up your trunk and you're going to see on the back here, there's a bunch of clips and there's a couple of hangers that you got to remove. And disconnect the lights and or the wires for the lights, and it's actually super simple to do. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So you're going to want to start by removing all these twist hangers. They just screw off counterclockwise, just like any regular screw. Alright, so in total, there are 7 different clips. There's 3 on the right side, 3 on the left side, and then 1 in the middle. Then it pretty much just, you just got to pull it down, and it should just pop off, and then you got to just unclip different clips for the lights. Alright, so when you're starting to remove your taillight, after you got all those 7 retainers off, it should just pop out just like this. To get the rest of the actual full taillight out, you have to pop off all of your lights. That's the license plate lights, the reverse lights, and your 2 running lights on this whole middle thing. When you're doing it, make sure not to touch any of the actual light bulbs, because that'll mess with the glass and potentially wreck them. And I'm sure you don't want to replace more things. I have a couple of LEDs in here, but that doesn't matter. So just be careful with the lights. You don't want to touch them. But again, there's 12 lights total that you have to pop out. After you do that, there you go. You have the middle part of your taillight pulled out. And then I can show you how to do the sides. Alright, so for the side taillights, the process again is super simple. You got 2 different push screw retainers on the inside, which allows you to pull the trunk lining out. 2 more screw retainers, right? And once those come off, you just gotta again detach the bulbs and just make sure you don't touch the actual bulbs. And then the lights are all out. Hey, that is how you remove Buick Regal and Buick Century taillights. Stay tuned for my next video or my previous video whenever I decide to post that on how to tint any light legally.